Man, the way I'm sad today, no introduction, just straight to the point, no romance, straight doggy. Okay, so the thing is, I saw this video in Asia, Korea, some street food or something. I think it's a restaurant, either it's a restaurant or a cold store that sells seafood, okay? And man, the way they slaughter this fish it's really sad. I know, yes, we all kill animals, but we don't let them suffer before they die like that. Man, it's heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. And at the end of dicing this fish, they really package it nicely that you never even have an idea or any clue that that's the process the fish went through. But before we start this video, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe. And today's video is sponsored by Lemonade Finance. So Lemonade Finance is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Canada, UK and US to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So you can send money to Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, Benin, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Uganda. And you can do all this transaction with zero commission. You no pay any fee. Just send the money and receive in bunch in Africa. And the first transaction above £100, use the name Sindaco and get £10 cash back. Man, won't pay when up then. Lemonade Finance. Just go to Google Play or Apple Store and download the app and just fill in your details. You are good to go. Download Lemonade Finance today and make your life easier. It's fast, reliable, and they also have the best and the highest exchange rates in the market. Won't pay when up then. Yeah, so back to the video, man. This is a bit heartbreaking, okay, but yeah. So you see, the fish are like they're really suffering because man, they're serious, man. Man, some people have no sympathy. How can you let the fish suffer like that? Man, they're serious, you know. Ooh. God damn it. Man, look at that. Oh my God. Whoa, man, the fish is suffering. It's like, man. And I've seen another video of this page, and I think that's how they slaughter, or yeah, they dice their fish and the seafood. Almost all the videos, the fish, that's how they do it. They don't kill it before. They do it live. Wow, man, the fish. Man, look at this fish. Like, wow. Man, this fish is refusing to die. Whoa. Wow, look. Wow. So in the name of sushi and all those things, I think this is how they do it. Man, see how they slaughter the fish like that. Man, just taking the life easy. Man, just imagine someone like this doing this to a human. Man, this is unacceptable. This is really animal torture, eh? Cruel, man. Man, this is unacceptable. Man, I don't even remember the last time I killed a hen or a fowl. I don't remember. Have I even done some before? I think I stepped on the feet. I think I stepped on the feet for my auntie or someone to kill it. So in the name of sushi and all those things, I think they'll be using it for sushi. So they peel the skin off. So this is mackerel. In Ghana, we call it salmon. Like that's what our forefathers or our mothers call it. So it's been a name that it's been existent till now, but it's mackerel. But it's popularly known as salmon. And they're taking off the skin. Man, how can I be so insensitive like this? Wow. Man, I can't do this. I can't do this job. I can't do this. At least let the fish die first before you dice it. You buy set or you try set or whatever set you do to the fish, you do it. But you can't just do it live like that, man. That's insensitive, man. That's too cruel. That's animal brutality. No, it's funny, but it's sad as well, man. These Asia people are doing the most, man. They are doing the most. These Asia people are doing the most. Hey, man, what towel or friend fish and towel? But I think all this is for what do you call it? It's be a sushi or something. Yeah, because the way they've used towel and everything, I think it's for sushi or something. So see how they are. So see how they are dicing and arranging them on the plate. Nicely done. So I believe like it's kind of sushi stuff. It's kind of sushi stuff, or if not sushi, something that they sell at the supermarket, like they freeze it and they sell it. Man, so all this fish that we've been seeing, all this seafood that we've been seeing that they sell at the supermarket, is that how the fish go through? Is that how they slaughter the fish before they package, they sell to us? Nicely done, and you never have a clue. Man, this is too much. This is too much. This is too much. And at the end, they've packaged it nicely and see how it is. Man, from the start I was sad, so I didn't do any introduction. Same at the end, no introduction, no outro. No intro, no outro. Man, I bought. See, they've even added lemon and broccoli. It looks nice though as the package, but man, how the slaughter thing went on, it's not fine. There's another video of octopus. They were boiling this octopus live, like live. Man, have a look. Woo! Man, this is serious. Bye-bye.
So, ebusian for Ghana. Nasa opesta will send this kama omwa. Download the Lemonade Finance app no. Ewo App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this kama webusian for omo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no. Free. So we send this guy. Free. Very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so the best on the market. In catcher webusian for omo abotre say some person mo send this kama wa. Omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubetimi download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance free, easy, fast, and exchange rates no so the best on the market.